Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to showcase a SOC automation project I have worked on. We'll start with an overview for the project. We'll be using an open source tool called Wazuh as our SIEM for the project. We'll also have a case management system. For that, we'll be using the Hive, and we'll be using Shuffle as our source platform to connect all the various tools. Here we can see a quick overview of the system from this diagram. So to start off, we'll have Mimikatz that will be installed in a virtual machine, which is the green computer at the bottom. As we know, Mimikatz is a credential dumping malware, and we'll primarily be working with Mimikatz to showcase the functionality of this project. As Mimikatz is executed in the host virtual machine, the event is going to be picked up by a tool called Sysmon, which is going to pass this event to the Wazuh agent, which is also installed on the virtual machine. The Wazuh agent is going to send this event via the internet to the Wazuh manager server that is running in the cloud and create a new alert in the Wazuh dashboard. We'll also have a rule set in Wazuh that is going to look at the original file image. Later in the video, you'll notice that the name of the executable for Mimikatz is different, but it will still be detected nonetheless. The Wazuh manager is going to send the alert to Shuffle. We'll have VirusTotal connected to our Shuffle workflow to enrich the IOC. And Shuffle will also create a new case in our case management system, which is the Hive. Shuffle will also be sending an automated email to notify us, which is the blue computer here, and we can send a responsive action accordingly. Now onto the demonstration of the system. As you can see, I have the two servers running on DigitalOcean, the Hive and Wazuh. Just going to give a quick overview of these machines here. As you remember, the Hive is our case management system and Wazuh is our SIEM tool for the project. As I move on to the Shuffle and show the entire workflow for the projects, we can see all the systems have been connected with their APIs in the Hive workflow. And I'm going to move on to the Hive, our case management system. You can see that there's no case generated, and here's the Wazuh SIEM tool running in the cloud. Now let's go ahead and run Mimikatz in our virtual machine. As you remember, I mentioned earlier in the video that we have a custom rule set in Wazuh that is going to look at the original file image. So Mimikatz will still be detected even if we change the name of the executable. So if we refresh the page, we can see that Mimikatz was indeed detected by our Wazuh SIEM tool. I'm going to go to the Hive and the new case was generated. And if we click on the new case, we can see various details. That's including the virtual machine name, the process ID, and also the command line. Now I'm going to quickly go back to Shuffle and I'm going to explain how we are doing the IOC enrichment. So what's happening over here is that I have an app which is performing a regex and retrieving the SHA-256 value of Mimikatz from the Wazuh. And after it's comparing the value with VirusTotal's database to find the level of compromise. And we're going to shortly see that it was indeed matched with the VirusTotal's database, and we can see the rating very soon. So these are some of the details I'm checking. So I'm going to check the last analysis stats, and here you can see that the rating is of the SHA-256 value. Just a quick clip for the email notification. We can see that an automated email was also sent from our workflow, alerting us of Mimikatz with some details we might be interested in, such as the time of this incident, what was detected, and also the name of the host machine where the incident had occurred. I hope you like this project. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.